Hey you guys, this is Cherie Shauna here. Welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are probably like, what's she doing back? She making videos? But yes, you guys, I have definitely been on a really long hiatus. For those of you who follow me on Snap, you already know why. But for those of you who don't, get familiar and follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. All my social media sites will be, of course, in the description. They'll also be somewhere here or wherever this video is. Somewhere on the video you'll be able to go to my social media sites. But yes guys, I have moved. I know you guys are probably like, what, she moved? Yes, I moved out of state. I'm from New York, Brooklyn to be exact, but now I'm down in good old South Carolina, and I like it. It's different. I'm still learning the area and trying to get familiar with the area and getting to meet new people and things like that. I'll probably go into detail about why I moved, but that's not what this video is about. I want to show you guys my apartment. I've never gotten to show or film an apartment, and I'm gonna film it empty so you guys can see my first reaction, and you guys will see the day that I moved into the apartment, which I think is pretty awesome. I was really excited, and yeah, I've been here for a few weeks now, and I feel comfortable enough to be able to now film and do all this great stuff. So of course, you know, there's going to be lots more content from me to you, and I can't wait till you guys see it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Bestie, how you feel?
Lit.
Lit? We lit?
It's a situation tonight. The turn of
Celebration!
I'll need for you to, you got that? Okay, sign that line, and then on the very bottom, you're gonna sign initial and date. And then the first 5 pages, well, the next 4 pages, you're gonna do the same thing on the bottom, and it's just a summary of what I'm going to explain to you.
You got the keys, Ow! My God. Are you excited? Yes.
So you first walk in, you see the staircase. This is leading to my upstairs. Right, so we're gonna go straight into the living room, dining room area. So this is the living room area. I don't know if you guys can really see it properly from what I'm looking at, but this is the living room, and it has pretty much almost ceiling to floor, not even a window, like a door that leads to the patio. And then turning this way, you're gonna see my dining room. It's an open floor space, but there's a little chandelier, I guess, that lets you know where the table is supposed to be. And this is the kitchen area, so I'll take you into it right here. So as you go in, you see a little door here. There's a light. All right, so now it's on, so now you can see it. So this is the closet, and it's like a crawl space type of closet, so I can actually store things in here. Let's check this light out. Great, so back to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Cute bar stool area, bar top area. These are the cabinets. There's a lot of cabinet space in here. A lot of cabinet space. So I have lots of places to store things, and I can even store things in here. My fire extinguisher is actually in here. So there's a lot of space in here for me to be able to store things. Okay, and then that takes you to the bathroom. So I have a separate little area right here, pretty much. I could put a seat here for the vanity, like a space for the vanity, and sink, storage underneath there. Here I am. This is the medicine cabinet. And then this brings you to the bathroom. And then there's also space right here to store more things. I love the fact that this apartment has so much storage, like storage everywhere. So this is bedroom number 1. It comes straight from the bathroom. That's best friend. And it has basically ceiling to floor window, and it's a walk-in closet. I'm so excited. So now we're gonna go upstairs, and upstairs is where the second bedroom is. I'll turn on the light. So this door right here is a closet. Right. This door is basically the HVAC system is in here. This is the second bathroom. And this is the second bedroom. Basically, again, floor to ceiling window. And this bedroom also has a walk-in closet. Very nice apartment. I'm so excited to be here. I can't wait to decorate. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my empty apartment tour. I will definitely be filming tours in my apartment once I get the rooms situated, once my beauty/office is done. My beauty/office/music station is done, as well as all the different parts of my house. I'll definitely film them individually because I feel like I want to tell you guys where I got my things from and things like that, and I don't want it to be rushed. So you guys will definitely see that. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media at and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.